Hydrogen and nitrogen gases are reacted to produce 2.1 times 10 to the third kilograms of ammonia. If the percent yield of the reaction was only 15.2%, what mass of hydrogen was initially present, assuming that hydrogen is the limiting reactant? We are given the balanced Born-Haber synthesis of ammonia chemical reaction, and we need to solve this. Now, this is definitely worded a little bit differently than what you normally see, but if we can get past this 15.2%, this is just a gram to gram three-step process. We'll convert this into kilograms. I think it'll be 2.1 times 10 to the sixth grams, right? And then we will take this 15.2% yield and bring it up to what it was to get 100% and plug it all in. Okay, now if it's 15.2%, then they must have, let's see, they must be producing for a theoretical yield 8 times that. I'm going to stop. Hydrogen and nitrogen gases are reacted to produce 2.1 times 10 to the third kilograms of ammonia. If the percent yield of the reaction was only 15.2%, what mass of hydrogen was initially present? All this really is a gram to gram molar conversion from the ammonia that they started with to the that they produced to the hydrogen that they must have started with. We do need to turn this into grams when we do molar masses, so I would call that 2.1 times 10 to the 6 grams, and we need not the actual yield of the reaction, but what it would have been theoretically, and it's going to be some 8 times higher, right? We do that by just taking the inverse. So here's the three-step conversion where we've adjusted things down, or I should say up, to give us what they must have started with in order to get 100% yield. All right, so that's the kilograms converted to grams by dividing by 0.152. Can you see that that would be more at least 8 times higher? Yeah, a little less than 8 times higher. And 17 grams of ammonia is a mole. Every 2 moles of ammonia, you must have started with 3 moles of hydrogen. That's why we go through the mole-to-mole conversion. And the hydrogen has a mass of only 2 grams per mole. And this shows you that they must have started with 2.46 times 10 to the 6th grams of hydrogen and then only got a 15% yield when they actually did the reaction to make that much ammonia.